What happens if you pour mineral oil all over a running PC? I don't recommend trying this one at home, but not for the reason you might expect. Stick around to the end to find out why. You might expect this to completely destroy the computer, but as you can see, that's not happening. That's because mineral oil is a non-conductive liquid, meaning it will not short out electronics. Because of this, the computer continues to run as normal, submerged in mineral oil. Pretty wild. Some people have gone as far as building entire PC systems in fish tanks filled with this. Talk about liquid cooling. So while it's technically safe to pour mineral oil all over your PC, I don't recommend it because it ends up leaving all of your components covered in an oily mess that's really hard to clean up.